Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain the blockchain educator. I'm Metal Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that the Bitcoin has made a new high in this bull market. And why I'm making this video right now, we're getting closer and closer to 50,000 US dollar. That's really exciting. The second thing I would like to talk about, that according to CryptoQuant, Bitcoin actually can reach 112,000 US dollar. That's the best case scenario for this year. The worst case scenario would be 55,000 US dollar according to them. Let's talk about the details. And then we have Joe Biden, who actually have laser eyes now. Why? I'm going to tell you as well. So guys, all this in today's video, and don't forget, every single day I'm making you fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain related videos here on Blockchain Bloom. So if you don't want to miss a single thing, you would like to stay up to date, very simple, just subscribe to this YouTube channel, and if you like this kind of content, then hit the like button. So let's do it. Okay, and well, when we're looking at the prices, we can see that Bitcoin is doing very well right now, up more than 3% in the last 24 hours, and guess what? In 7 days, 16% up. 49,696 US dollar right now. Ethereum 2,552. It is also 1.7 up. Bitcoin is doing now much better. And when we're looking at here the weekly gains, sorry, you haven't seen Bitcoin here, but yeah, the first one was Bitcoin, second Ethereum. Anyway, the Beam is the one which going up the best in the last 24 hours, yes, with 17%, minus 10%, Stacks 7%, actually also doing also pretty well. Among the losers, Dimension going down 4%, Cosmos about 2.8, Mountain Network 2.8, no major drops at all, and Bitcoin is leading the game. And the first topic will be this, so let's talk about it. Okay, actually, look at this. Look at this green candle, because this is on the weekly what we're forming. If you remember, last week, I did talk about this. If we're going to break out here, and it happened last week, as we had 7 green candles in the row, daily ones last week. If we break above it then and close above the weekly, that would be very bullish for Bitcoin. And guess what? We not just went above this line, this 44,800-ish kind of, what I put here as resistance line, but we break above it, and guess what? Bitcoin has closed here on 48,316 US dollar. And when you're looking at this, this is the best weekly close since 2021. It shows how bullish we are right now. This, look at this, I put it here. This was a 13% green candle, what Bitcoin performed last week. And today on Monday, this could be actually the daily candle as well, because it's the first day of the week. It actually went down here, you know, and it perfectly just pumped back. And now we're on the way, as you can see now, towards this kind of 50,000-ish level. And at 40, what's right now? Yeah, 49,600 is something, and doing pretty well. So yeah, this is actually very promising, and it shows the strength of the bull market what we have, because this was a significant candle what we have seen here, right? And yeah, we haven't seen a candle like this, a weekly one, since last year. And of course, there are always corrections in the market. We have seen corrections, but when you're looking at the weekly, when you look at the daily chart, you can see always this, you know, where that the correction and the going up, it bit more messed up. But when you zoom out and look at the weekly, you can see it was almost a straight line here, just going sideways, behaving as a stable coin, and after it always a breakout. And because we are in a bull market, it was the breakout towards the upside. Yeah, amazing right now. I'm very curious how this story will continue. And yeah, another fact is, I wanted to share with you guys that here, looking at Bitcoin monthly returns, you can see that February is usually a great month. Look at two years since 2013 were in minus. Apart from these two, all the others in plus. So far, we are 12% plus. So yeah, February could be a great one, and we're pretty close to halving, guys. Mid of April, halving is happening. That's not too far. So bullish scenario altogether, you know. So yeah, to be honest with you, yes, there are corrections. Right now I don't care too much about them, to be honest, because I think I'm thinking in the long term. If there are no black swans, something like major ones in this year, there is a likelihood that we could have a great year in 2024. And yeah, you look what this has a bigger chance. That one, in my opinion, has a bigger chance. Not saying that the opposite cannot happen. That's very important, because you investor, you know how the market works, what kind of surprises can come. But altogether, what is more likely right now that 2024 is going to be a great year. Right. Okay. And now, second topic. According to CryptoQuant, the ETF flows could push up Bitcoin price all the way to 112,000 US dollar this year. So we can see Bitcoin is performing pretty well. And according to CryptoQuant, you know, the ETF inflows could propel Bitcoin prices to 112,000 US dollar actually this year. They have two scenarios, basically. This 112,000, that's the best case scenario. And the worst case scenario, they're saying, is will be 55,000 US dollar for this year. But 55,000, to be honest with you, right now, it is not a huge stretch. So I'm more optimistic than this, but you never know what we're going to reach this year. And these targets were made based on the fact of inflows on Bitcoin's market capitalization and a metric ratio that has historically indicated if the price were overvalued or actually undervalued. So it's based on kind of calculation, as you can see it here. But what's going to happen? Yeah, we're going to see it. So they guessing basically that the price is going to be between these two numbers. What is your guess? You can let me know in the comment section. And actually, when you're looking at here, the data from Hodl 15 Capital, they're saying that until 9th of February, so basically last Friday, there is already more than 216,000 Bitcoin in this ETF, excluding GBTC. That's important because that's all the new ones. And that's actually more than MicroStrategy is holding with 190,000 Bitcoin, which is already quite a lot. And when you're looking at the outflows from GBTC per day, you can see here the days, and this was significant, but we getting less. And this was actually today the lowest since the Bitcoin ETF. On Friday. On Friday it was the lowest since the Bitcoin ETF was launched. So that looking promising as well, and that can then have an impact on the price. Right, and finally, Joe Biden has laser rise as well. What? So when you go on Twitter, X, sorry, you can see this picture, right? Joe Biden with laser eyes. We do know, for us crypto people, what laser eyes mean. Laser eyes on Bitcoin. Yeah. Not sure that this is what actually Joe Biden meant, but crypto people posted all over the place that Joe Biden is the one, because it's very unlikely that he is for crypto. And therefore, you know, the explanation goes like this. So just like we drew it, you know, as you can see, read it here in the post. You know, the post was made in a reference to the Kansas City Chiefs win over the San Francisco 49ers in the Super Bowl. So basically, this was the one they meant, Biden meant because of the Super Bowl win, and has nothing to do with crypto. However, you know, it was spread all over crypto Twitter, and yeah, they said Joe Biden laser rise, you know, price going up, and so on and so forth. Not quite, but good try, Joe Biden. And maybe one day, you know, you never know. Okay, so that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom. So if you don't want to miss a single thing, Simply subscribe. That easy it is. And yeah, if you like this kind of content, highly appreciate it if you hit the like button heavily. Thanks a lot. See you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.